Hello. Good morning. My name is Dr. Apollo. We will going to discuss now about the continuation of our topic in IT OTHM. So last time we discussed about the impact of IT has on. Now let's talk about the evaluation of the impact of penetration and vulnerability testing on an organization and the latest development. Okay, so the evaluation of the impact of penetration and vulnerability testing on an organization. Here is the impact of penetration and vulnerability testing. So we have baseline. So penetration and vulnerability testing provides a baseline for an organization's security posture. Okay, so identifying areas of strength and weaknesses. So in here, they're trying to see the how the network can be attacked by the intruders. No? So these baselines can be used to measure the effectiveness of security controls and identify areas for improvement. We call it baseline. Assurance, the penetration and vulnerability testing, because network is online, anybody can access that one. So if the design of the network has no protection, so the attackers will going to uh, destroy the data, and they would unless it will be prevented. So that's why there's here cybersecurity. It tries to you know uh, to lessen the impact of the uh, vulnerability attack. Okay, so like downloading, accessing illegally, copying files, okay, and then sell it. So that's the job of the hackers. Penetration and vulnerability testing provide assurance that an organization's security control are effective in preventing and detecting security breaches. Okay, so that is ISAC. No? Okay, so and then this assurance can be used to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements. One we discussed before. We have identifies areas of weakness or focus. So penetration and that identify means analyzing where the network is weak, and then it will try to augment its security. So actually, the breach of security is one of the common uh, negligence, no? In the design. So penetration and vulnerability testing identifies areas of weakness or focus that require attention and remediation of OWASP 2020. This can include vulnerabilities in software. So that's why they are trying to update the software, no? Hardware. So they try to change because the attackers malware are used to in low ends of hardware. No? For configuration, they try to introduce a control as well as weaknesses in security policies and procedure. That's why there's a two level of password nowadays. Before it's only one. Google implemented this two level of password again to as a response to uh, the attack, okay, made by the on the system. Okay, we have ethical hacking. So penetration and vulnerability testing involve ethical hacking. Where authorized personnel attempt to bypass security control to identify vulnerabilities. So they are a form of tests. So this process helps to identify the weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious attackers. By the way, sometimes the hackers is actually within the organization itself. No? They try to steal information, especially in the bank. And we have externally penetration and vulnerabilities testing can be performed externally, where authorized personnel attempt to breach an organization's security controls from outside the network. So this is the externally. So this type of testing, okay. So they try to see where the network is vulnerable and then identify accordingly. So this type of testing helps to identify vulnerabilities. That means the weak points, no? That could be pointed. So the benefits of this one, uh, improve security posture. So within the system, posted in the system, identification of vulnerabilities and weakness, where the network is weak, and then try to improve it. Assurance of compliance with regulatory, of course, no? Enhance incident response and disaster recovery. So the backups in case, no? That's why the system gets long now because they try to introduce the backup, no? Okay, these are references. Okay, let's talk about uh, uh, the development update. So to stay updated on the latest development. So we have ISACA updates, provides regular updates on cybersecurity trends, threats, and best practices. So this one is coordinated with OEM, software developer. So newsletters, ISACA offers bi-weekly newsletter including at ISACA and Career Laser, no? Which cover industry news, trends, and career resources. Certification and training. ISACA provides various certification. Yeah, so that only certified can are recognized. So this is a form of training or of training at the same time protection, such as CISA, CISM, risk, and training programs to help professionals enhance their cybersecurity skills. So on the updates, the NCSC provides updates on cybersecurity vulnerabilities and best practices. We have newsletters, guidance, and resources. So again, this one covering the news, threats, and guidance. NCSC provides guidance and resources on various uh, cybersec topics, including threats assessment, vulnerabilities management, and incident response. So they are encouraged to join. Okay, so to help updated, no? So the topic are isakang online community. So provides platform for professional to connect, share knowledge, and stay updated on industry development. Cybersecurity sub Reddit. Cybersecurity subreddits is a community-driven forum for discussing various cybersecurity topics, including threats, vulnerability, and best practices. We have the resource and networking. So this is the trends update. Research and networking helps to enhance skills and knowledge. These are ISACA research, conduct research, various cyber sec topic like assessment, vulnerability management, and incident response. Because the effect of the attack is billion. No? Cybersecurity conferences, attending these conferences events can provide opportunities for networking, learning about the latest threats and trends, enhancing skills knowledge. No? So this is our segment of today's discussion. So if you have some question, you can post now. So we discuss about the trends and updates. And then we discuss also the evaluation of the impact penetration. So I'll see you later. No? Thank you for being with me.